A glomerular filtration rate, or GFR, is a blood test that checks how well your kidneys are working. Your kidneys have tiny filters called glomeruli. These filters help remove waste and excess fluid from the blood. A GFR test estimates how much blood passes through these filters each minute. A GFR can be measured directly, but it is a complicated test, requiring specialized providers. So GFR is most often estimated using a test called an estimated GFR, or egfr. To get an estimate, your provider will use a method known as a GFR calculator. A GFR calculator is a type of mathematical formula that estimates the rate of filtration. It does this by comparing the results of a blood test that measures creatinine, a waste product filtered by the kidneys, with other information about you. This information includes some or all of the following: the results of a blood test that measures creatinine, a waste product filtered by the kidneys, age, weight, height, gender, race. The egfr is a simple test that can provide very accurate results. A GFR test is used to help diagnose kidney disease at an early stage, when it is most treatable. GFR may also be used to monitor people with chronic kidney disease or CKD or other conditions that cause kidney damage. These include diabetes and high blood pressure. There are 5 stages of kidney disease. Your healthcare professional determines your stage of kidney disease based on the amount of kidney damage shown by your egfr or MGFR. Now that you know your egfr, find out your kidney disease stage. Stage 1. Possible kidney damage, for example protein in the urine with normal kidney function. egfr value 90 or above. Kidney function 90 to 100%. Stage 2. Kidney damage with mild loss of kidney function. egfr value 60 to 89. Kidney function 60 to 89%. Stage 3A. Mild to moderate loss of kidney function. egfr value 45 to 59. Kidney function 45 to 59%. Stage 3B. Moderate to severe loss of kidney function. egfr value 30 to 44. Kidney function 30 to 44%. Stage 4. Severe loss of kidney function. egfr value 15 to 29. Kidney function 15 to 29%. Stage 5. Kidney failure. egfr value less than 15. Kidney function less than 15%. Thank you for watching.